Hello everyone, I am Sanjana Gour from TY Electronics. Today we are going to see the demonstration of Docker. So we will start with the basic. What is Docker? Yeah. So Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test and deploy applications quickly into standardized units called as a container. So basically Docker runs its application in a container. What is a container? Containers are the structural units of the Docker which are used to hold the entire package that is needed to run the application. Now, by comparing the VM with the Docker, we can see, that Docker requires less memory and CPU than VM. Uh, a VM lets you run a virtual machine on any hardware, but a Docker lets you run an application on any operating system. For example, if you want to run Ubuntu in VM, in case of VM, you have to first download the OS and then deploy it, which takes a large memory. In case of Docker, you just need to pull the image of Ubuntu and run it on the command prompt by giving the various commands, and you can run the Ubuntu in your PC. So we will move to the practical demonstration. First, you need to install the Docker desktop. Yeah. So according to your PC configuration, you can install like for Mac, Linux. I have already installed for Windows. Yeah. So we'll open the command prompt. Here first you need to check whether you have installed your Docker correctly or not by giving the command docker-v. Yeah, so I have installed Docker version 24.0.6. Now to pull an image, you have to give the command docker pull Ubuntu. Yeah, so after checking the version, we will just pull the image docker pull Ubuntu. Yeah, so our image is pulled, and now with the help of this command, we will run our image. Yeah, so with the help of the next command, we can see the actual downloaded or pulled images. So docker images. Yeah, so these are the images I have pulled, and now to check the history of these commands, to check the history, we need to just give the command docker ps-a. Yeah, so here are the container IDs and images created. So after the docker run Ubuntu, uh, it is not showing any current running image. Yeah, so it is not showing any current running image. Why this is so? So the reason is that even if we run the image, the image automatically gets terminated. So if we want to run the image continuously, we have to give the command docker run -it, that is interactive mode, -d, that is detached. Okay, so -d, that is a detached mode, and Ubuntu. Yeah, so now we will check Docker ps. Yeah, so now we can see that our image is running in the bin bash mode, and this is the container ID. Yeah, so we have successfully pulled the image of Ubuntu. Now we will pull one more image, that is Python. Docker pull Python. Yeah, so our image is pulled, and then Docker images. Yeah, so these are the images we have pulled. Now let's run the, yeah, so Docker, to run it continuously, Docker run -it -d and Python. Yeah, so this comes the ID, and now Docker ps. Yeah, so this is the new image of Python which we have pulled. And now if we see Docker images, yeah, so we have pulled, it is pulled successfully. So this is how the demonstration of Docker is done. Thank you.